Hi, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some budget considerations for when you own a home. So let's get started. So even before you own a home, let's really quickly touch upon some of the extra expenses on top of the home price that a lot of people kind of are surprised about. So when you're purchasing a home, there might be a variety of other fees. And these fees and expenses associated with buying a home would be closing costs, the inspection, appraisal fees, if there is additional warranties that you want placed on the home, etc., as well as if you want to do a rate buy down. So these things are things you need to consider because they can quickly add thousands of dollars to your final purchase price. All right, now let's actually start talking about your mortgage payment. So your mortgage payment. Aside from just paying your principal amount and interest, you may be also paying into an escrow account. So let's break it down. Fixed versus adjustable rate mortgages. Well, if you have a fixed mortgage, that means your interest rate is going to stay the same for the entirety of the loan, and generally your monthly mortgage payment too will stay the same for the duration of the loan. When you have an adjustable rate mortgage, that means your mortgage payment may also fluctuate with your interest payment that may go up or down depending on how your mortgage is structured and what the going market rates are at the time. Escrow account. So in addition to your mortgage payment, then you may also have to pay into an escrow account, which includes your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance. If you need more information about this, then there's a video up here. Generally, having an escrow account is what trips people up if they are on a fixed mortgage payment because they are unaware that your escrow amount can change on a yearly basis. So if you don't have an escrow account set up, then we need to talk about these expenses. One, property taxes, which can be significant in certain areas. If you want a video that discusses more about property taxes, then check here. Essentially, as your home value goes up, your property taxes may go up, and then you'll have a higher payment. Two, escrow accounts usually cover your homeowner's insurance, and your homeowner's insurance can vary. Your premiums on your homeowner's insurance can vary due to the condition of your home, additional factors, if there were more in your local area, more natural disasters or higher instances of claim usages, then your premium may go up. As always, it's important to make sure that you research your policies and understand that you can go price shopping on your homeowners or policies. And in general, I would suggest speaking with an insurance agent in order to find the best policy for you. All right, so now let's talk about those hidden costs. Those are really just monthly budget lines that you should be considering to begin with. One, maintenance and repair. So as a homeowner, you are responsible for maintaining your home and making sure that you repair any of the internal home systems that need repairs. So in general, these are things maintenance-wise that are pretty frequent. So like changing the filters, new light bulbs, etc. And then there are things that may not be as routine, which is fixing your water heater, if you spring a leak, if there is an issue with your heater in general, and you may need a new heating unit, etc. So generally, most people like to put some money aside to start making sure that they have money to cover these expenses, or if there are certain routine costs like lawn care, etc., then that they make sure they shop and keep it in their budget. Two, utilities. So as a homeowner, you're going to be responsible for paying your utilities, and this could include gas, electric, water, sewer, etc. This too can also be fluctuating based on your usage throughout the year. In some places, you have the option of doing a balanced budget billing, where they take your usage over the year and then they will give you a set payment for 12 months. Now, sometimes this works in your favor and you just have a steady payment, but sometimes you may use more and then you'll have little overages that you have to cover. Three, HOA fees. So if you happen to have a home in a community that has a homeowners association or HOA, then you may be responsible for paying an additional monthly or yearly fee, and that is to maintain the amenities of the community and may include certain things like trash service or lawn care, or sometimes they even do like a joint gutter cleaning service. You never know, so make sure that if you live in an HOA that you are paying your HOA dues. And last but not least is renovations. Now, renovations are different than maintenance or repairs because when you renovate something, you are supposedly improving the house that you live in. Now, for some people, they do it because they want to change a style or make the home more for themselves, in which case this renovation is more for your taste and may not increase your home value, while in other cases, having a renovation like adding another bathroom, if you have the space for it, can actually increase your home value overall. So these are things to consider because renovations in general can be pretty pricey. So, yep, I hope that was a quick video for you on some hidden costs and other things to consider when you are a homeowner. If there's anything that you think I missed, please leave a comment below. More than happy to include it in my updated video, as I'm sure there's going to be things that I've forgotten. And if you can do me a big favor, give this video a like. If you aren't subscribed but you like this type of content, please hit that bell and subscribe. And until the next one, I hope to see you. Bye!